the remarkable de Havilland Sea Vixen about to arrive. Sea vixens were built, the loss rate was relatively high at 37%. That's an incredible speed. I'm just listening in. Simon just reporting that he may think he has a technical problem on board the aircraft, so he's just going to fly by again and just get to the air traffic here to check out with him that all is well. So just stand by for that. But an amazing opportunity to see this machine nonetheless. Distinctive twin boom tail arrangement, very similar to de Havilland's earlier jets, the Vampire that you saw earlier today, and of course the Venom. But all together on an incredibly different scale, designing it as a real bruiser of a fleet defense fighter, weighing in at an incredible 1810. Powered by two Rolls-Royce Avon engines, giving a top speed of Mach 0.91 with 6 underwind hardpoints, able to carry a mixture of fire streak and red top air-to-air missiles, along with various rockets and bombs. We're just waiting for checks to come back from the cockpit now. May well be. We have to knock it off this one, as we say in the business, and leave the show on a bit, but we'll just hold on and get a report back. In the hands of a very competent and capable pilot here today. He worked with BAE Systems at Dunsfold as a company test pilot and was involved in the Joint Strike Fighter problem, of course. So here he comes in again from the left-hand side, doing a very gentle flyby. We're just doing a check flight now to ensure that all is well with the aircraft. And then with any luck, we'll be able to carry on with the full display. But a great opportunity for you photographers coming now, looking gleamingly wonderful, this aircraft. And splendid another slow flyby. just heard that Simon's not entirely happy that Ord is performing brilliantly on board the Sea Vixen, so he's made a very sensible decision to take it straight back to